Hi, this is Marielle from the Baldwin Library. Last time you visited, you might have wondered, what's this machine over here? Well, it's one of our 3 self-check kiosks located throughout the building. You can come here and check out your items all on your own. It's easy. I'll show you. All you need is your library card and your items. Let's get started. First, take your library card and place it under the red line to scan the barcode. Once your account screen pops up, you are ready to check out your items. You can place up to 5 items in the machine at a time. Once each item gets a green check mark, they are good to go. If checking out a DVD or CD, wait for the next screen to prompt you to unlock your item. When the yellow light comes on, you may place your first DVD or CD in the unlock section. When the light turns green and you hear a click, it means your item has been unlocked. Check to make sure the green unlock button is on your DVD. If you are having trouble unlocking your item, please bring it to the circulation desk. Once all your items have been checked out, press finish and yes with receipt to get your due date. You are all set. Try one on your next visit. We'll see you soon. Bye.